My name is Naim Patel. I'm the president of the Sri Swaminarayan Temple in Cardiff. Diwali is one of the highlights of our calendar. It's a festival where the whole family gets together at home and at the place of worship to celebrate. The Diwali festival is like in the Western world celebrating Christmas for Christians. Same way Diwali has got an equivalent part of our daily life for the Hindus. The significance of lights for the festival is the removal of evil. Light glows up everything. Without light there is darkness, and we don't want to stay in darkness all the time. So we light the divas lit on that day. The community in Cardiff, which normally lives around Grangetown, is not a very big community. We have about 400 to 500 members, but it's a very tight-knit community which wants to celebrate all the events that are there. It's part of our culture. We find that in Wales, people are quite open-minded and they have accepted us with open arms. I think the reason has been because the community has been established here for many generations. In fact, I could go back to probably 100 years when the seafarers were, quite a few of them were Hindus. If the community grows smaller, then naturally the festival grows smaller. But the community is there. They want to show the generation that the festival is there and we want to improve as it goes on.